Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will be taking a look at the best budget printer for home use. We understand that not everyone has thousands of dollars to spend on a printer, so we have taken the time to research and review some of the best budget options that are currently available on the market. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each printer in the description box so that you can quickly and easily purchase them. The best thing is that these links are updated regularly to ensure you get the best prices. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at these best budget printers for home use. Number 1 is HP Wireless Color All-in-One Inkjet Printer. The HP All-in-One Wireless Color Inkjet Printer is an excellent choice for budget-conscious individuals who need a reliable home-based printer. This printer is easy to set up with the HP Smart app, which guides you through every step, making printing, scanning, and copying everyday documents from your phone a breeze. With the optional HP Plus system, this printer is more secure, productive, and ready when you are. This affordable printer is ideal for up to 5 users and can handle up to 800 pages of printing per month. It has a 35-page autofeeder that allows you to work quickly and efficiently, and the shortcuts feature eliminates steps in repetitive tasks like scanning to the cloud or emailing. In addition, this printer offers security essentials, including basic encryption, password protection, Wi-Fi security, and document protection. Its reliable Wi-Fi connectivity ensures that you stay connected and interruptions are reduced with self-healing Wi-Fi. Overall, the HP All-in-One Wireless Color Inkjet Printer is an outstanding option for individuals who need an affordable, reliable, and efficient printer for home use. If you think this printer is a good fit for your needs, check out the link in the description box. Number 2